We have to dream big for Iloilo.
There is something in Iloilo which other destinations do not have.
Who would have dreamt at that time that we would have wide roads, new roads?
Iloilo is really ready to accommodate big conferences, big conventions. Everything is here.
Iloilo has retained its charm, its urban atmosphere, and yet its old-world values.
Who would have dreamt that we would have a convention center?
The city has hosted international events, and after 5 years, now Iloilo is #1 in tourist arrivals in Western Visayas.
Iloilo is a beautiful blend of culture, history, arts, and tourism.
So now is the moment for Iloilo to shine, and for the last 2 to 3 years, Iloilo has shown its attractiveness.
The province of Iloilo is one of the most progressive and vibrant places not only in the Philippines but in Asia and even the world.
Since then, up to now, Iloilo has exhibited its competence and capacity to host international, national, regional, and local meetings, events, conventions, and exhibitions.
Iloilo has a lot of stories to tell, and it has a long list of things to eat and pasalubongs to take home. Our tourism portfolio is so varied that we can cater to all types of tourists.
But all of this started with a vision, with a dream, because as long as we dream big for Iloilo, eventually this will happen, because the Ilonggos together will make this happen.
The collaboration between the private and public sector is truly amazing.
One of the reasons why we position ourselves as a MICE destination is because Iloilo has it all.
Iloilo, currently one of Philippines' favorite destinations for conferences, trainings, events, festivals, even filming.
Visiting Iloilo, whether for business or for pleasure, is really something to look forward to.
From food, culinary or gastronomic experience,
We have the support facilities that will make your meetings, conventions, and exhibitions in Iloilo very close to perfect.
we are very proud also of the present development. Right now, we have the longest and most beautiful linear park in the country.
Iloilo City is prepared to be a MICE destination. We have the hotels. We have a big convention center. We have the heritage sites, the destinations.
Everyone is pitching in efforts to make Iloilo City the next premier MICE destination.
The time of Iloilo to go big time has to come. The potentials should be unleashed little by little, not one time, big time, for sustainability, because we have to do a lot of housekeeping while we are attracting people to come over and over again.
Here in Iloilo City, I have already organized a MICE center which will cater to the needs of those who will be coming here.
Well, Iloilo is the gateway to all the destinations here in Western Visayas.
We are pushing Iloilo to be the main MICE destination in the country.
We are ready to cater to all people from all walks of life, from barangay captains to CEOs, artists, the people from the public and private sectors, you name it, we can cater to all of them.
After business, you can always go out of town and visit our beautiful municipalities. Ilonggos have a strong sense of history, so we can look forward to the future without forgetting our past.
The presence of local and international hotel brands strengthen the city in its capability to host conventions of global standards and requirements.
And I always believe that we have to invest in long-term planning so that Iloilo will become the destination, the choice for all MICE activities. We are going to push for this to make sure that the Ilonggos will have jobs.
Right after your convention or your meetings, we can give you the best tours, the best gastronomic experience, as well as take you around to hear the stories of our people.
The CEOs, our delegates, our participants of the conventions can go to places here in Iloilo that can really tell you about the glorious past.
I think Ilonggos, despite their busy schedules, they have time to be friendly. They always have time to be so. I think that's the Ilonggo soul.
Warmth. So excited, bala kita mabatong sitaw.
Although Iloilo is into business and investment, we also have fun.
Most of our visitors would always say, "You are the sweetest people on earth."
We have the hotels, we have the destinations, and we have great food in Iloilo.
We welcome you to our city. Meet you in Iloilo.
Iloilo is now ready for MICE. Kadto ka mo diri sa amon. Lain gid ya ang mga Ilonggo.
Culture, arts, substance, people. Iloilo is MICE ready.
What's nice to note is that we are called the country city of love because of its soft-spoken people. So expect an Ilonggo brand of service that's truly warm and endearing. Meet you in Iloilo.
We are very malambing and we take care of our visitors. And that is why Iloilo is known to be the city of love.